Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix now. GG Roblox not available in your region. First, we'll understand why you might encounter this message, often due to geographical restrictions or network settings. We'll then go through practical steps to bypass these limitations, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite Roblox games. This guide will help you troubleshoot common access problems and get back to gaming quickly and efficiently. One of the most effective ways to overcome regional blocks is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a different location, making it appear as if you are browsing from there. Choose a reliable VPN provider. Connect to a server in a region where now GG Roblox is available, and then try accessing the platform again. This simple step can often resolve the issue immediately. Sometimes, cached data or outdated network information can cause regional access problems. Start by clearing your web browser's cache and cookies, as these can store old location data. Next, flush your device's DNS cache to refresh its network address information. You might also consider changing your DNS server to a public one, like Google DNS, which can sometimes improve connectivity and resolve geolocation discrepancies. These steps are quick and often very effective. If a VPN or cache clearing doesn't work, consider exploring other options. A proxy server can also mask your IP address, similar to a VPN, though often with less security. Always check now GG's official support pages or community forums for any specific announcements regarding regional availability. If all else fails, contacting your internet service provider might reveal underlying network issues on their end. Persistence is key to getting back into your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.